Greetings, YouTube. It's the Silver-Top Flyer coming at you from Gainesville, Georgia. I got a little news for you. I tried to tell people about it, and nobody listened. Nobody listened. Does anybody remember me telling y'all that the Phantom 5 would be released towards the middle of the end of November? Anybody remember? Grec Wirlybird, do you remember? And what did you say to me? You didn't believe me. You called me a liar. You owe me an apology, sir. Yes, you do. I tried to tell you, and I tried to tell you. Nobody listened. One thing you need to know about old Silvertop, he never lies. Never, never, never. If I do lie, it's written right there. Every time. And I'll tell you something else. Something my mother taught me ever since I was a little boy. And it goes, oh, what a tangled web we weave when we practice to deceive. It may sound corny, but it's true. It's true. It's true. I know somebody just went through something because of a bunch of lies that have been spun. Some of you know who I'm talking about. And what happened? The light was shined on the truth. This is the Silver-Top Flyer, signing off.